Hello my dear students, I hope you all are keep doing well and be fine at home. So let's start our list of the questions of the worksheets. As you can see here students, the predecessor, as I told you in your yesterday's class, that predecessors means you have to minus 1. आपको 1421 में से 1 माइनस करके यहाँ लिखना है. Like one number back from last number. Like if in last there is 1, so you will write there 0, because 0 come before 1. Okay, you have to write just one number before. If in B part, as you can see here, 3608, so you will write here 3607. In next one, as you can see, 2908, so you will write 2907. In here 4201, so you will write there 4200. Here as you can see 8501, so you will write 8500. 6381, so you will write here 638, yes, 6380. And in the same manner, in next question you will just add one, like 7901, so you will write here 7902. Okay class, in that manner you have to complete it all these questions. If you will face any problem, then you can tell me, I'll explain it again, because this is a very simple way that in predecessor we will minus 1 and in successor we will plus 1. Your next topic is of comparing and ordering. Like as you can see, in compare we will write like ascending and descending. You can explain this topic with the activity that I have given in second class, and I'll also send you the link of that video in your Snap app homework. So first you can see that video so that you will be able to do your ascending and descending. But I don't think so that this is a new topic for you. You have also done in your second class. So this is the only topic. As you can see here, like see the number in the digits, like 1238 and 142. So as you can understand that 142 is smaller than 1238. If the number of the digit will be the same, comparing digits having the highest place value. As you can see here, if the number in the digit will be the same, like 4 number digit is here and 4 number digit is there, so you will just take the place value of each digit, like 6 6, same place value. 1, here you can see 2, in next one you can say 2 and 8, 8 is bigger. But in last one, as you can see, at the place of 1000, at the place of 1000, in this number as you can see 3, and in that number 1, so 3 is bigger than 1, so according to this you will put the sign of less than. Okay, similarly, as you can see, the step by step comparing of the digits, all the place value, that is 100, tens and finally ones. We can arrange the number either in ascending order or in descending order. Ascending order, when the numbers are arranging from smallest to greatest, we call it ascending order. Okay, as you can see here, in a very first you will put the smallest one, then you will put greater one, then you will put greater than. And this is the same manner of descending order also, that you can see here, that move down from the stairs. It means the biggest one, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. One example I can give you class, like 306 is there, 462 is there, 46 is there, 36 is there, and 1304 is there, and 1406 is there. So you will write like this, like you will, in ascending order you will write it first 36, after that you will write there 46, then you will write there 306. Then you will write 4062. And second last you will write 1304. And in last you will write 1406. So it will be your ascending order. Okay. As you can see class here, that in descending order you will write like this. You will write the higher number first of all, and the highest number is 1406, जिसको आपने वहाँ पे लास्ट में लिखा था. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में जो आपने लास्ट में लिखा है वो यहाँ फर्स्ट में आएगा. एंड द सीक्वेंस विल बी रिपीटेड. Like 146 will be the first one, 1304 will be the second one, 462 will be the next one, 306 will be the next one, 46 will be the next one, and 36 will be the last one. It is the only difference in ascending and descending, that in ascending order you will put first of all the highest number, and first of all you will put the smallest number, and in descending order you will put first of all highest number. It will be the only difference. Okay class, so one question I have explained you in this manner. You will complete your rest of the questions also. If you will face any problem, then you can consult with me, so I'll explain it also. As you can see in your this assignment, you have to complete it all these number with the same manner. First of all you will write all this number in ascending order, and then you will write all these number in descending order. Now this is the example of forming number. With one number you can form the different number, like you can change the place value of each number and you can form the another number. As you can see, with one number like 101907, they are making so many numbers like 1907, 1079, 1790 and 1097. So they are making different number over there. So they are just changing the place of the 9 over there in each condition, and they are making new numbers. Now they are in second condition they are changing the place of the 7 and they are making the new numbers. So as you can see that out of these, greatest number is the 9710 is the greatest number, and 1079 is the smallest number. Forming smallest number, when you can write the digits in ascending order, like we will put, when we put the digit in ascending order, it will be our smallest number, and when we will put the number in decreasing order, it will be our greatest number. As you can see here, that write all the possible 3 number using 7, 8 and 5. So you will put here all the numbers, like first one, as you can write here 785, and second here you can write here 578, and as you can see 857, and as you can in first one we have to write the number which will only start with the 7, so you can write here 785 and 785 and 758. In second one you will write 875 and 857, and third one you will write 587 and 578. So it will be the forming of number. Like in next question, as you can see, how many numbers are formed in ascending order. So by using these number you will fill that how many number you can find in ascending order. As you can see here, that the first one in ascending order you will put 7 5 sorry 5 7 8. Okay, then you can write here 7 5 8. Then you can write here 8 5 7. Okay, so it will be your ascending order. And in descending order, as you can see that, yes, according to the same manner you will complete it the next three box, because the three I have already told you. So next you will complete it by yourself. And your question number 2, I'll explain you in next class, because it will be help in it will be also need the help of board and all. So you just have to complete it up to question number 1 only here. Okay class, I hope you got understand. So you have to do these question answers in your notebook.